The biggest myth, I think, is that AI transformation is about technology. It really isn't. The AI transformation is much more about understanding what people do and then creating agentic workflows where agents can do the roles. I'm Furhan Zafar, VP of Supply Chain for Meta Reality Labs. Reality Labs is the part of Meta that manages all of our wearable devices, our VR devices, our AI smart glasses. We're in the middle of a pretty significant AI transformation in supply chain at Reality Labs. And as part of that, one of the things that we did was map what we're actually spending our time and our effort and our energy doing. We're making 10,000 decisions every single month, from small decisions in terms of prioritizing one thing over another versus massive decisions around product allocation. 95% of those decisions are not necessarily judgment-based. They're pattern recognition, and they're connecting the right data to the right people so that they're able to make those decisions. What I regret is that the exercise that we did, that we didn't do it sooner. The light bulb moment for me was that this is not necessarily a technology problem. This is a people problem in terms of understanding where agentic workflows can augment our current people and how we can free up our people to do high-level work. We're at the cutting edge of what technology can do for us and what AI can do for us. The way I was thinking about it 6 months ago is completely different to the way I'm thinking about it now. In fact, even the way I was thinking about it 2 months ago is almost 180 to how I'm thinking about it now. I find that exciting. It's obviously perilous as well, but working at Meta, that's kind of part and parcel with how we always operate. We encourage a certain level of risk-taking, and risk-taking leads to a certain level of failure. And that's okay, as long as you understand it, and as long as you can recognize it, and as long as you course correct. The worst thing you can do is set a direction and just keep going. Transformation is a lonely journey often, especially as the person leading transformation. There's some level of doubt involved. You must have conviction in what you're doing. You must be able to communicate that conviction to your team, to your stakeholders, and sometimes to your partners. At the same time, you must have the right mechanisms in place so that if the results are not aligning with your conviction, you have the ability to assess whether this means that you should continue along the path that you're on, or if you should course correct. And so therefore, it's less about telling people to just believe in the approach that they're taking, but more a case of have strong convictions, but be open to change when necessary.